Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, we're going to talk about Unit 2, Substitution and Solving Equations and Expressions. Now, the question says, find the value of each expression when a equals 2 and b equals -3. Now, we're going to answer these expressions by substituting the variables with numbers or constants. Now, let's take a look at a. 4 plus 5a squared. Remember, guys, 5a squared, this is very important. It means that a is squared, so it's a times a, and then, let's make it like this. So a squared means a times a, and then you multiply it by 5. So 5a squared means that 5 times a times a. Remember, it's not addition, it's multiplying. And you have to do this one first, and then multiply it by 5, and then add it to the 4. These are the steps of answering or finding the values of these expressions. First, you do the square, and then multiply it by 5, and then add it to 4. Now let's do it together. In the question, they said that a equals 2. So we're going to put 2 instead of a. So it's 2 power of 2, right? So basically it's 2 times 2. So it equals 4. Good. And then 4 is multiplied by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 equals, very good, 20. And then after that, this is 20. You have to write the steps, by the way, and you add 4 to it. So the answer will be 24. Very good. And this is the final answer of this expression. So the first thing that we did this one first, which is the square. We squared a. In other words, we multiplied a by itself 2 times. We got 4. And then, after that, we multiplied by 5, we got 20. And then, at the end, we added 4. And the answer became 24. Now, let's move on and do question B and see if you understand it. So, question B, 3 plus bracket 1 minus 3b and then square. Focus, guys. First, in this question, focus on the way that the bracket is. The square is outside of the bracket. That means you have to answer what's inside the bracket first, finish it, and then square it. After squaring it, you add it to the 3. This is the right step, or these are the right steps to answer this question. Now let's take a look at the answer together. First, b equals what? Very good. Equals -3. So we're going to take -3 as b. Now let's start answering this. So b equals -3. Remember that. And -3 is multiplied by -3. So it's going to be -3 multiplied by -3 equals what? Equals, very good, because we have 2 negatives, so the answer will be positive. And 3 times 3 is 9. Good job. Now, in multiplying different signs, the answer will be negative. But same signs, the answer will be positive. Good. Now, after this, we have positive 9, which is here instead of this one. So, positive 9 is added to this one as addition. So 1 plus 9 is what? So 1 plus 9, make it like this. So plus 1 here equals, very good, equals 10. And then after finishing the 10 is squared. So we said that this is negative 3, and this is negative 3. When you multiply it by each other, you get positive 9, and then you add it to the 1, you get 10. And then the 10 is squared. Remember that. So 10 squared is what? 10 squared equals, very good, equals 10 times 10. And 10 times 10 equals 100. Very good. Now, like that, we finished the whole bracket. So the whole bracket here equals 100. After finishing it, we're going to add it to the 3. Very good. So the answer will be 103. And this is the final answer for this expression. Now, to review steps together, first, we put negative 3 instead of b here, and then we multiplied by negative 3, and we got positive 9. Positive 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 squared equals 100. And then 100 plus 3 equals 103. And these are the steps of answering expressions like that. I hope you understood it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.